Hello children, welcome to your English class. This is your English teacher, Ms. Malvinder Singla. I hope you all are pretty well. So children, in today's class you are going to learn direct and indirect speech in simple past tense. It is also known as narration or reported speech. As we have already done this topic previously also. So first we will revise the previous rules and then we will move ahead with some more rules and new sentences. So let's begin with this sentence. He said, I am playing. Now see how this sentence is changed. He said that he was playing. See the second sentence. She said, I am painting. Now how it changes? She said that she was painting. Now coming to the third sentence. He said, I have done my work. Now see the changes in this sentence. It changes like this. He said that he had done his work. Now in these three sentences, what changes did you observe? Yes, we observed the following changes. Omission of commas, use of that, change of pronoun and change of tense. A speaker's words can be reported in two ways. The first is direct speech or exact words of speaker. For example, the teacher said, Rajesh has a bright future. And the second way is indirect speech or what the speaker has said without using the exact words. For example, the teacher said that Rajesh had a bright future. So you can see the changes in both the sentences. Now let us revise the rules. Change of pronouns. Pronouns are also changed in indirect speech. The pronouns which are written within the inverted commas in the direct speech are changed as follows. In the direct speech, if I is used for a girl, it changes into she. I, if used for a boy, it changes into he. My, used for a girl, changes into her. My, used for a boy, is changed into his. We changes into they. Our changes into their. Me, if it is used for a girl, changes into her. And me, if it is used for a boy, changes into him. Now, in indirect speech, tenses are also changed. Let us see how they change. Present tense changes into past tense. Now see the present tense verbs. Is or am change into was. Are changes into were. Has or have changes into had. First form of every verb changes into second form of verb. Now the modals are also changed. Will changes into would. Shall changes into should. Can changes into could. And may changes into might. Let us understand through this sentence. If the reporting verb is in the past tense in the direct speech statement, then the verbs within the inverted commas will also change as follows. Simple present becomes simple past. For example, the girl said, the flower is pretty. How it is changed? Let us see. The girl said that the flower was pretty. So here is has changed into was. Present continuous becomes past continuous. For example, the old man said, the rain is falling heavily. Here in indirect speech, it changes like this. The old man said that the rain was falling very heavily. Now let us do practice through this exercise. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. Let us see first sentence. Spriha said, it is cold outside. Now let us see which changes we have to make. Spriha said that it was cold outside. Here you can see that after removing the commas, we have used that here in the answer, and after that the letter which is inside the inverted commas, it, I is small, and the verb has been changed into past tense. The word was is, which is changed into was. So the answer will be Spriha said that it was cold outside. Now see second sentence. David said, I am learning Spanish. So children, here you have to take care that the pronoun which is within the inverted commas, it should be changed according to the speaker. We have to see whether the speaker is male or female, and accordingly the pronoun will be changed. So now see the changes. Answer will be David said that he was learning Spanish. See the third sentence. She said, I can hold my breath for 2 minutes. Now let us see the changes. She said that she could hold her breath for 2 minutes. Here you can see that I has changed into she, can is changed into could, and my is changed into her. Now see the fourth sentence. The children said, we will go to the museum. Now let us see the changes. The children said that they would go to the museum. Here the speaker is a plural word, that is the children. So we has been changed into they. Will has changed into would. So the answer will be the children said that they would go to the museum. So children, I hope you all must have understood the use of indirect speech and how to change the sentences yourself with the help of rules. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye.